Unit 12.
Unit 12.
Lesson 2.
Lesson 2.
Let's play Guess the Job.
Let's play Guess the Job.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you a policewoman?
Are you a policewoman?
No, I'm not. Guess.
No, I'm not. Guess.
Is she a doctor?
Is she a doctor?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Oh.
Oops.
No, she isn't. Haha.
No, she isn't. Haha.
No. Are you a doctor?
Are you a doctor?
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Are you a teacher?
Are you a teacher?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Is he a teacher?
Is he a teacher?
No, he isn't.
No, he isn't.
Is he a doctor?
Is he a doctor?
Yes, he is.
Yes, he is.
Are you a doctor?
Are you a doctor?
Yes, I am.
Yes,
I am.
yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Are you a teacher?
Are you a teacher?
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Are you a doctor?
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 Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.